people who can go into unstructured situations, find out what the problems are, what people need and want, and create breakthrough solutions that are technologically feasible and business viable. The proven tools and techniques of design thinking give you a skill set that make you attractive to employers and a more effective business person. Beyond the hard work of innovation, opening up to your creative side is also fun.
Hi, my name is Patrina Gomez and I am a GMBA student. I've just attended 9 sessions of design thinking by Dr. CJ Meadows, who in my opinion is the best professor in SP Jain, but I'm biased. And it's really an experience like no other. Very unique to our core courses because design thinking, as like the name suggests, is a very relevant field in business, but at the same time it also draws from design principles. And so her class was really fun, it was inspiring, it forced us out of our comfort zones to be creative, and that's what I think all of us loved. And if you look at the pictures from our class, we have Legos on our table. We tried to build the tallest tower. And even though it looks fun on the surface, but underneath that, the whole workshop was just designed with principles from psychology, from business, trying to understand what is the human-centered approach to creating a solution that is not just desirable, but can also be feasible and viable. So ultimately, the challenge is to still create a product that will sell, because we're in business school after all. So yeah, all in all, I had a great time, and you cannot afford to miss this.